Regulation number 5. Stowage. This regulation focuses on defining regulation 5 central idea, which is safety protocol to protect the well-being of relevant stakeholders, such as employees and customers. It requires that all relevant entities adhere to particularly safety procedures. It is not only morally right, but also legally required to follow these safety measures, creating a safe workplace for all parties. Regulation number 6. Quantity limitations. For good scientific and technical reasons, it may be necessary to prohibit the transportation of some toxic compounds or to restrict the of amount that may be transported aboard any given ship. The size, design, and equipment of the ship, the packing, and the properties of chemicals themselves must all be taken into account when restricting the amount. Regulation number 7. Exceptions. It is against the law to jettison dangerous substances that have been packaged and transported unless it is absolutely required to protect the ship or save lives at sea, as long as compliance with such measures does not jeopard, jeopardize the safety of the ship and the people on board. Appropriate measures based on the physical, chemical, and biological properties of harmful substances shall be taken to regulate the washing of leakage overboard. Regulation number 8. Port State Control on Operational Requirements. If there are reasonable ground to suspect that the master or crew are unfamiliar with critical shipboard procedures relating to the prevention of pollution by harmful substances, the ship shall be subject to inspection by officers duly authorized by such party while in the port of another party. The party shall take such measures as will ensure that the ship shall not sail until the situation has been brought to the order in accordance with the requirements of this annex in the conditions specified in paragraph 1 of this regulation.